Today I'm sharing a simple single serving Yee Mee noodle soup. It is easy to cook and very delicious, suitable for a quick lunch or dinner. First, prepare 80 grams of bean sprout. I always keep my bean sprouts soaked in the water to reduce the oxidation rate so they don't turn dark too fast. I am removing all the roots as I have some extra time. This is totally optional and is more for the appearance sake. Alright, all done. Leave them soaking and set aside. Prepare the green leafy vegetable for sweetness. Today I am using 1 stalk of bok choy. Cut and separate the stem and leaves. And set aside. For garnishing, I had prepared some spring onions. Chop them into small pieces. And set aside. For condiments, I added 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce with 1 cut red chilli. Alright, it's time to cook. Usually the dry yee mee comes in a packet like this. I will take just 1 bundle from here for 1 serving. Put it in a heat-resistant bowl. Add 750 ml of water and boil for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once the water has come to a rolling boil, pour it over the dry yee mee and soak it for about 1.5 minutes. This softens the yee mee slightly, so we can pour the soup without cooking it completely. Then transfer it out from the hot water. Rest it on a strainer and leave aside. Add 650 ml of chicken stock in a pot and switch on the heat. Add 1/8 teaspoon of black sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and the bok choy stem. Stir to mix until the seasoning have combined. Cover the pot and let it boil for 3 minutes. Once the soup is boiling vigorously, reduce the heat to medium-low to prevent splattering. Add 50 grams of seafood tofu and 100 grams of crab balls or any type of fish ball that you like. Continue to boil for 1.5 more minutes to heat up the crab balls and tofu. Once the soup is starting to boil vigorously again, add the bok choy leaves and the bean sprout. Give it a stir. Break the egg, drop it in, and it is done. If you prefer the egg to be fully cooked, continue to boil for another 30 seconds. As I like it a little runny, I will let it cook from the residual heat. Pour the soup over the yee mee, being careful not to splash it. Arrange the crab balls, seafood tofu, the poached egg, and the vegetable on the top. Pour all the soup. Add spring onions, half tablespoon of crispy fried garlic, and optionally, a few pieces of fried food chok. Serve with the cut red chilli in light soy sauce. And enjoy. Let's eat. Wow, so good. The soup is superb, so tasty and very flavorful. The noodles are soft and tender. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.